Look at how beautiful it is out there. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Look at it. Where is it? Oh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another day of the video diary. And how's it goddamn going today? Today has been jolly good fun, really. Today has. I tried to get up at. I'm scrapping the idea of getting up at 7 and 8 o'clock. I'm just getting up as late as I possibly can, staying up as late as I possibly can. I think that's the best way. Jesus Christ. Tried to get up at 7, I was like, no, sleep. 8 o'clock, no. Got up at 9 in the end, because I had to. Oh my god, I was knackered. I think it might have been that bike, riding the bike back up, it killed me. But hey ho. Otherwise, we went to a group meeting, went through everything we need to do and stuff. Everything that still needs programming, everything that people needed help with, sorted everything out, got everything planned, and then came back here and I've been programming ever since, creating my GUI and things. Everyone else's GUIs look so much better than mine and it bugs me, but I'm making mine really functional. And then as soon as it's completely functional, then I'll start messing about with like adding pictures and stuff. And the plan is that it's going to be finished by Thursday morning. Thursday night, Friday morning, that's when it's going to be finished, which gives me 2 days to muck about with it. Basically though, I finished it. I just need to do, I could hand it in now and get a pass, I think, which is good stuff. Everything I'm adding now is all you've got to pick 3 like optional things to implement, and they're the things I'm on now. I'm making a world view so that you can see it not just from like the player's perspective, but you can see the entire map. And I'm developing that before I start messing about with bots and things, which is going to be the next thing, which is bot implementation, bots interacting with each other. That was something else as well, god damn it. Ah, bam, there we go. One of them's already done, which is have the player's view refresh in response to things happening on the map. Did that. Bam, there we go. Just 2 things to do. I've just got to create God's Eye view and add player interactions, which is making bots stuff fight each other. So I'm going to make it run with players, and then I'm going to run a bot in there, get the bot running. Hopefully, what day is it tomorrow? But hopefully Thursday is going to be spent sorting out the bot. Probably get it on it today, but by the end of, maybe I could even get this finished tomorrow. Hopefully, if things go well, I could get this finished tomorrow, which would be brilliant. I've just got to then make it look pretty, which isn't brilliant, but you know. So yeah, but that's just like putting pictures. It's not changing the code, it'll just be changing how I display the code. So it's like, at the moment I've got like a box, put this as the text inside it. Instead of putting that, I'll put this picture in instead, and things like that. So that's the plan, Stan. So basically, yeah, it's going well. It's now like nearly 5 o'clock at night. I'm going to have a quick break because I've been programming since like 12. Haven't really had lunch or anything, so I'm just going to have a quick break on Optimus Die, play like a level. And then I've got to try and figure out what this bug is, because I basically copied and pasted the code that runs like the look thing is, which is like the small screens. Just made the loops bigger so that it should iterate over the entire map. And it's just not working. And I don't understand why, so I'm taking a break. Take my mind off it. I understand why. Basically, I was an absolute frigging moron. What I was doing was, let me just work this line on. What you have in a program, it's called, in Java, it's called like a frame. This is your frame, and then what you do is, it's kind of a weird step. You put a panel on the frame, and then you can put things on the panel. I don't understand why you can't just put things straight to the frame. Why have 2 separate things? I suppose you can have like panels within, you can have like more than 1 panel within a frame, but you could just put things to the frame. It's like you're not allowed to put anything on the frame except panels or something stupid like that. So, right, so what I was doing was, when I run it through, I would, what it needs to do is it needs to update. Every time you make a move, you need to update the frame. You need to update it so that you know you can see stuff, basically, so that you don't have to press a button for it to update and things like that. So what I do to update it is that you kind of delete everything from it. I can't figure out a way, because it's in a panel, this is, because it's in a panel, I can't figure out a way to stop it from, am I even making sense? I'm not. Because it's in a panel, I can't figure out a way of updating the data straight away without like, no, I know why it is, because I'm an absolute moron. What I do is I've got a loop, basically, that loops through the map. And it'll go through and it'll go, right, okay, I'm at cell number 1, I'm going to create a button. Bam, there's a button. I'm going to go, holy shit, what is that on the map? Oh, it's a wall. Bam, here's a wall button. It just adds like the characters and crap to it. And then it adds that button to a frame. But then, because it's a loop, it adds the same button, the same named button every single time. So you basically can't do shit with these buttons. They're just literally picture boxes. You can't do crap with them because they've all got the same name. There's just hundreds with the same name, which is really bad, but it's easier because then you don't have to go through one by one. You It's just a lot easier to loop it. But then because of that, I can't go through and change a singular button, because if I change one singular button, they'll all change. So I need to wipe it and start again. Wipe, start again, wipe, start again, every time I want to update it. So, as I went through to update it, you literally don't care, do you? When I was going through to update it, when I went through to wipe it, instead of wiping the panel, I wiped the entire frame. So that the frame was just like a little box thing that was absolutely stupid, instead of this masterpiece. Ah, yeah, motherfucker. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through how freaking cool this is, because I think it's pretty damn cool. What I'm gonna do is you've seen this screen, haven't you? Just type in your goddamn name. So, Jamie Ped, mother trucker, yeah. Again, pick a map, and we've only got one map, the default map, so bam, here we go, okay. Still can't figure out why it's always player 2's go to start off with. That's really annoying me, actually. It's gonna change that. I could just fix it as player 2 goes first all the time, but you know, it's supposed to be random, so I set it as random. You create the board here, there's my name that I entered in, player 1's called Jamie, and then here's me, the blue piece. I'm sitting on a gold piece. I'm gonna have to change this into pictures. I've got to make it look better. This is like the really basic picture. I've got to use graphics and crap. And then this is me. I'm sat here. So on this one, the gold person, which is orange, orange person is the orange things. Red is an enemy player, hence why blue, and that's thingy there. Okay, so here, you then go through. You can pick up here. It will come up with an error message at the moment because there's nothing to pick up. God damn it! But then to move or attack, you can't just click north. Or let me tell the camera better. God damn. You can't just click north, because it'll be like, oh, you need to toggle. So you can toggle, move, or attack. And it will toggle which one which, and then you can click. I'm trying to use the mouse through the camera screen. It's not working very well. So you can click move, and then it'll move north. You go bam, like that. Okay, I had this all working yesterday. I haven't got attack running yet. I need to implement this. I'm going to do that tomorrow. And then once you get to the end of your turn, you will add 6 moves, which includes walking and picking shit up. Or you could just end your turn willingly, because there was one time I played Mama Cat and she spawned here, I spawned there, and she then couldn't move because you can't walk through the other player. So you can't walk through a wall or a player. So she was just stuck there, essentially, which was sad times for Mama Cat, but hey ho. But then basically what I've been adding today, along with making off of this, fixing a load of glitches and stuff, is this, and I'm pretty proud of this, and it means I've got 2 of the 3 additional things I have to do. My next one is going to be implementing a bot and implementing bot interaction, so it'll be a bot in the game and players attacking each other, so that's going to be fun. But what I've added is this little sexy little God's Eye View button up here, and you can tick it. Look, it's a little tick box, but when you tick it, this opens, and it's a view of the entire map from like an outer's perspective. So if I move, bam, shit moves. Should be cray. That's what that is. Check that out. And then I can get rid of it either by unticking this and it's gone. Oh, can't see. Unticking that and it's gone. Pressing this X button up here, and that unticks this box because it's cool. And then this, I really like this feature. Oh, they're pressing that X button there. And I'm really goddamn proud of that feature there. And the deadline is being Friday, tomorrow's Wednesday, so the plan is by the end of tomorrow to have it completely and absolutely finished. Well, okay, maybe. Lol. I'll be implementing the bot for tomorrow anyway, changing all the bot's code, so the bot is relatively clever and works good. I'm going to be making attack work, so that 2 players can attack each other without a bot, and then I'm going to make the bot work. I'm going to make the bot relatively clever. I'm not going to spend, well, I probably will spend the majority of the day on it, and then I've got to like swap things. I'm not sure how to make it much prettier than that. Like some people have like taken like rocks and things from like Pokemon and like put those down instead of walls and stuff like that. It's just figuring out how to make it look pretty, but then people have like drawn, oh, I was thinking of doing like AP or like health things, so it's got like health hearts at the bottom, so that when you get hit you take a health off and stuff like that. Just little things like that will just make all the difference, hopefully. But yeah, that's the plan, Stan. So we're having a whale of a time. We're done. It's about 1 o'clock, I'm going to bed an hour early. I am going to have to get up early though, which is a massive pain in the neck. Oh wait, no, I've got a lecture at 11, so I can get up at 8. I need to do a wash. I forgot to do a wash today because what we did was we had dinner. I haven't even told you, have I? Went to go and have dinner, which was bangers and potatoes and runner beans and stuff. And then Beth was like, why don't we go parade? So we went to parade bar for a drink. I had a glass of red wine. Everyone else had lemonade and Coke because they made, like making me look like an alcoholic. And yeah, Beth and Ben don't like drinking, and I like having like social glasses of red wine. I love it. Just one glass of red wine. It's the best bit ever. Love it. And then we came back here. I had a hot chocolate and programmed this masterpiece. I made it look all pretty, and oh my god, I'm happy. I'm really good. I'm really happy with myself. But by the end of tomorrow, we should hopefully get the bot done. I've got to get up early because of all of this. I've ran out of time. I would have told you this, haven't I? To like wash towels and all of my clothes in this bloody laundry bag that's full. So the plan of attack tomorrow is to get up at 8 o'clock. That's an extra 2 hours sleep, although I probably won't be going to bed like straight away as soon as I say goodbye to you. Well, I've got coins in my pocket. I probably won't be going to bed straight away. I probably won't be going to sleep anyway, but it's like an extra hour than what I'm used to. Get up at 8 o'clock. I should really get up at 7. But, goddamn. And then we should be able to get all that done, and then that leaves me Thursday and Friday to move on to other courseworks, hopefully, all making this look pretty, which shouldn't take too long. We're getting there, we're doing well. We're even taking breaks and like going out and like having social chats and stuff. Oh my god. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. We're having a whale of a time. I'm really, really sorry. Next 2 weeks it's going to be a bit crap, and then we hit revision period, which is always fun. We're having loads of fun. It might even enable me to get my damn hair cut when we get around there. Oh my god, another 2 weeks of this, potentially. Ah, god. Unless I get finished like really early on Thursday or something, and then go in the early morning Thursday. Maybe that's a possibility. I don't know. Depends. Depends if I treat myself for finishing. If this is finished by Wednesday night / Thursday morning, I'll go and get it cut then, and then we'll be able to take bike cam out on the hill. Holy cow! And I believe that's all I've got to talk to you about now. I think that's done. I think I've finished everything I need to say. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry the videos go downhill. I honestly am. I wish there was something I could do about it to make them a bit more interesting for you. Awkward. So, yeah. I'm gonna get to bed. I'm gonna try and get to bed early, and I'm gonna set my alarms for 1 hour later because I need to be up and have things in the washer basically by half 8. So I've got time. I'm gonna do a tumble dry. At least on the towels and stuff. At least. I think I've got to put money on my laundry card at some point. So hopefully tomorrow I won't put money on, but like next time I'll have to. I think hopefully if I've got like enough for one tumble dry, then I'll just tumble dry one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much is on there. Pain in the balls. So yeah, I'm gonna get going. Like I've said a million times, and I'm gonna catch you later.